Not everyone has a backyard to have ample space for gardening. If you are living in apartments or any other such residences where you do not have a backyard or even a farmhouse in any other case, you cannot grow every single plant. If you have a balcony, terrace, which receives 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight, these other plants you can grow because I myself do not have any other space than this. So let's get started. The first plant on our tool is sweet corn. It requires a minimum of 5-gallon container and full sunlight. It grows very tall, so you must have the height for it to grow. This one here is a 9-gallon container, so I managed to grow 2 of them, and here are 5 gallons, so I can grow each in one. The next is basil. It requires about a 3-gallon container and 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight. Then comes lemon. It requires a 8 or more gallons container, as much of sunlight as possible and plenty of water. The lemons here are fresh. And next are bush beans. They require very less space and each requires about 1.5 gallon container and full sunlight. Then are gladioli. They germinate from bulbs and require long pots if you want multiple of these. They grow vertically and produce very pretty flowers. Then comes parsley. It is a small bushy plant which requires about 2-gallon container and full sun. Then is jasmine, very pretty flowers with wonderful aroma. Requires a 3 or more gallons container. Then is spinach, super easy to grow, just requires plenty of sun and just little container for growing. Very nutritious for health as well. Then are chilies. They are tall and strong plants. They require about 4 gallons worth space and full sun with a lot of water. Here is a very big and healthy looking chili. Then behind this, next to the spinach is some arugula, just as easy to grow as the spinach are. Same climatic conditions as well. Then comes coriander. These are also the way we grow spinach and arugula, just the same way. Then is peppermint or mint. It is easy to grow and requires a lot of space because of its fast and vigorous growth. So you should try using a long pot. Down here are some broccoli. They need warm temperatures and lot of space with plenty of watering and nutrients. Then in that small pot right over there are some more parsley that we are growing. Then is tomato. It requires a lot of space and a minimum of 16 inches pot diameter because it requires a lot of nutrients for making big large fruits. Then here is another chili plant with the same size and whatever I have mentioned before, and some more spinach behind it. Then is aloe vera behind the chilies and lemongrass over here. Lemongrass requires a lot of water, sunlight because it's a grass variety. And behind the lemongrass, I did not know I had a lettuce plant growing because of the seeds that it was producing. So thanks to the seeds I came to know there is a lettuce plant behind.